The aerospace industry is going through unprecedented challenges and headwind with this pandemic. The Global Aerospace Summit is providing a unique platform for companies around the world interested or operating in this industry to come and discuss hot topics and challenges that the industry is facing. For example, the future of the supply chain with what's going on, how we can be prepared better for future pandemic in terms of ensuring supply chain from a market perspective. Everyone is talking about a recovery between 3 to 5 years. How we can work as an industry to actually facilitate and enhance the recovery instead of waiting 5 years. How we can do it faster. So these are some of the topics that will be discussed during the Global Aerospace Summit.